My name is Wes Powell. I'm a 45-year-old male, obviously. I grew up in Covington, Kentucky, and back in 1989 I committed a crime in Campbell County, Kentucky, and I was sentenced to 2 years in prison for that crime. When I was a kid, I didn't really understand the ramifications of that, but later on in life, it came back to bite me so many times. I mean, getting a job, voting, just all kind of things. It really, really, really disables you in a lot of ways that you don't really think about. Well, thanks to some good people, they got together and they passed this House Bill 40. Maybe I can expunge that off my record. It'll be like it never happened. I'm in school right now, and I'm going into the medical field, and they do background checks. With that on my record, I can't be in the medical field. It affects me to this day, and having that off my record is going to be a big help. It's just a big weight lifted off of you. Today, by me going through the process, I'm hoping to help others, to learn from me and go through it, and hopefully this helps them out a lot, going through the process. I just completed my paperwork for filing for my expungement. Now I'm gonna turn it over to Molly, and she can help you out with any questions you may have.
Hi, I'm Molly Green from Clean Slate, Kentucky. West has such an incredible story. He really illustrates exactly what folks are trying to do with this bill, so we're grateful for him for helping us out. What he showed you was actually the first step of how to go about getting an expungement, which is requesting the certificate of eligibility. That process, receiving the certificate, can actually take about 4 to 6 months. Once you receive that certificate, the next step is to file it in court in the county where your charges originated. You file your packet along with an expungement request form. Those forms are located on the AOC website. You'll file those papers along with the expungement fee. The fee is $100 for misdemeanor expungement and $500 for felony expungement. After you file that paperwork, the judge may schedule a hearing and we'll get in touch with you about that hearing. Now, court clerks can't necessarily help you fill out your expungement forms. So if you need more help and you can't afford an attorney, there are lots of resources for free or low-cost legal help across the state of Kentucky. If you have any questions, there are several resources online for you. Clean Slate Kentucky's website has charts that will help you determine your eligibility, as well as instructions for actually requesting an expungement. The Administrative Office of the Court's website also has a guide to expungement, as well as all the forms that you'll need to complete the process.